market, and there's so many fun local vendors out here. I have one right here, Soap Terra. So they make fresh and homemade local soap from all local ingredients. I know that they make their own olive oil and put it in here so you can get soap, even bath bombs. They have a lot of essential oils as well, but this is the perfect time to get out. They are open until 7, so now usually this farmers market is on Sunday, but due to Easter they moved it to Friday, so you can get all of your Easter goodies. But clouds are starting to roll in, so we can see temperatures cooling down a little bit right now. It is still so nice out, but we're looking at 82 degrees in Bakersfield. Today we had a high of 86, so 15 degrees above average and warmer what we were seeing even this time yesterday. But tomorrow, not going to be quite as warm, still in those low 80s for most of the valley. 83 as a high in Bakersfield tomorrow, as well as in Shafter and Wasco. Breezy conditions though for us here on the valley floor. Those clouds keep rolling in our mountains. The mountains could see gusts up to 25 miles per hour starting tomorrow evening. They're going to be in those upper 60s, low 70s, and our desert communities looking at those 80s as well, gust up to 35 miles per hour. But unfortunately, as these temperatures are here to stay, our air quality is worsening. It's actually going to be right on par for what we were seeing this time yesterday, so in that moderate range with an AQI of 80. So these clouds rolling in, winds picking up in the mountains starting tomorrow evening, and that's going to be continuing as we head into Sunday, even into Monday as well. So Bakersfield, looking at those 80s across the board, it's going to be a beautiful 81 degrees on Easter Sunday, and then clouds letting up as we head into early next week. Kern River Valley, looking at those breezy conditions, beautiful 75 degrees on Easter Sunday. Tehachapi and Fraser Park actually going to be in those mid to upper 60s for Easter Sunday, so it is going to be such a great weekend to get outside with the kids. I know there's so many events going on across Kern County, but make sure to check out the farmers market. You still have time. They close at 7 o'clock tonight. Back to you guys.